Okay, this is a little demo of the Propeller Window Manager, and this demo puts all of the different controls, the two different kinds of menus, a hot bar and a hot list, which is basically a horizontal menu, a vertical menu, and there's also buttons, which can be anywhere on the surface itself, which are like toggle switches. Up here on the screen, I've got the spin code. And just zooming in here, I just want to show you that the entire application is basically from here to here, and most of that is just stuff to print. So that's the entire event handler, which handles all the windows. So coming over here, you can actually see the application up here. And so I'm going to move the mouse around. And the top control here is called the LED control panel. This is called a hotbar menu. The one under here, this is called a hot list menu, and this is because it's vertical. This one is horizontal. And then over here we've got a button matrix where we've created a bunch of buttons and put them in a 2D matrix like a keypad. And the whole idea of this demo is not only does it show the controls themselves, it actually connects them to something in the real world. So when we press red LED on, or red off, or green on, green off, over here in the motor control, if we turn the motor to 0%, 50%, 60, etc., it actually controls a motor which is connected to a little demo board, and this little parallax phone actually creates DTMF codes. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to, for example, press the little red LED on, and then we'll look down here and we can see the little red LED is on. Now I'll put the green LED on, the yellow one on, and the orange one on, and then I'll turn them all off. Alright, and coming up there I just press that. Now this will be a little more fun. Over here, you can see this is a motor speed control, and these control the duty cycles. So I'm going to set it to 50% and click it in a moment. And down here you can see a little motor, and so I'm going to go ahead and click it up on the screen, and you can see it there spinning, and you can hear it. Now I'm going to put it up to 90, hear it get louder, up to 100. We'll go back up here, and you can see these different selections. So I'll put it back down to 50, and it slows back down, and then now I'll put it to 0, and it's off. Now, one of the more fun little controls here is this one. So we're going to type in a phone number, 1 4 0 8 8 3 5 7 5 8 4, and then we press the send button, and we're going to make sure that we're close over here to the speaker so you can hear it. And it actually dials that number, and then we press clear, and then it clears the number up top. So the whole idea is that you can create your GUI, you can then connect it to real world items, like the board down here with these different devices. You can do it all very easily, and that is what this demo does.